Hey guys, welcome back my YouTube channel and subscribe. Scene opens with a sleek, futuristic 2025 GMC vehicle parked on an open road, reflecting the golden hues of the setting sun. A confident driver approaches, pressing a button on the key fob. The headlights illuminate with a signature GMC glow as the engine roars to life. Voiceover begins. Introducing the all-new 2025 GMC, where innovation meets power, and style meets performance. Designed for those who demand more from every drive, this is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of strength and sophistication. Cut to a close-up of the vehicle's bold front grille, accentuated by dynamic LED lighting. With its commanding presence and signature design, the 2025 GMC ensures you stand out wherever the road takes you. The aerodynamic lines, striking alloy wheels, and robust build embody the perfect balance of durability and elegance. Interior shot, driver settles into the plush, high-tech cabin, hands running over the premium leather seats. Step inside a world of luxury and advanced technology. A driver-focused cockpit, featuring a massive touchscreen infotainment system with seamless connectivity, keeps you in control. With intuitive voice commands, wireless charging, and a premium sound system, your journey becomes an experience. Cut to the digital dashboard displaying multiple drive modes. Performance is at the heart of every GMC. The 2025 model comes equipped with a powerful engine, offering exhilarating acceleration and unmatched efficiency. Whether conquering city streets or off-road trails, the intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability and precision at every turn. Aerial shot of the vehicle cruising through rugged terrain, effortlessly navigating challenges. Built for adventure, engineered for safety. With cutting-edge driver assist technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an advanced 360-degree camera system, you can drive with confidence knowing you're protected from every angle. Sunset shot, the GMC is parked near a scenic overlook, the driver stepping out with a satisfied smile. More than just a vehicle, the 2025 GMC is a symbol of power, innovation, and the freedom to explore without limits. Voiceover fades, and the GMC logo appears on screen with the tagline, GMC. We are professional grade. Fade to black. Thanks for watching my video and safe drive.